So first of all, please pardon my background. Currently, I'm not at home. I'm at the shop, so don't mind the way my background look. I don't really have everything set up here. What you're seeing on the screen right now is the actual amount I have made from Temu so far. And the best part is that I actually made this amount just by referring just one person, just one new user. So basically, what I did is that I referred the person, he downloaded the app and made and placed an order. So that's why I got this commission right here. So in case you don't know what Temu is a shopping platform just like Amazon, AliExpress, and then Jumia. Of course, there are other shopping platforms, but something I like about Temu is that their products are quite cheap, and they also have an affiliate program whereby you get paid just by referring people to buy a particular product from them, and you get your own commission. So that's what affiliate marketing is on Temu. Of course, there are other type of affiliate marketing, but Temu is that they pay higher when it comes to affiliate commission. Yes. So in this video, I'll be showing you how exactly you can be promoting products for Temu just for free. And I'll be using Facebook Reels. I wanted to use TikTok actually, but TikTok won't allow you to post links anyhow. And if I say I should use YouTube is going to take some time because YouTube won't just allow you post a link anyhow. So Facebook is quite okay because they can allow you to post link, and I'll be using Facebook Reels, and I do know that Facebook Reels do get a decent amount of views, just like TikTok. And yes, it's a step-by-step video, so make sure you don't miss any part of this video. So if you are looking for a way to earn extra income, this video is for you. So just make sure you stick around and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and make sure to follow me step by step on everything I do, because in this video I'll be showing you exactly how to get the product and how to download the video concerning that product, even though you don't necessarily have the product at hand. Yes. Without wasting much of your time, let's just jump into my screen and let me show you exactly what I'm gonna do. So as you can see, I'm on my phone's interface. So what I'll do, I'll just click on Temu. It's going to bring me to this interface. So I'll click on the search bar. Then I'll type in affiliates. So it's going to take me to my affiliate dashboard. So as you can see, this is the amount I have. So by the time I recorded this one, I haven't made any sales yet. So I'll just look for an item that can do well to promote. So I think this first one is going to do well. This 2-in-1 tripod. So I'll just click on share to earn. So it's going to bring out this whole text. All you have to do is just copy the whole link or copy a specific link from there. That one that started with a HTTPS, only that one. So just go to your Google Doc or anywhere you know you can save it. Just paste it there and save the link. So what we are going to do next is we are going to so next is for us to head over to TikTok. Want to head over to TikTok to look for a video concerning that same product that you want to promote. We are doing this because we don't have the product at hand. So we just want to go and look for a video concerning that product that someone else has already made. So you can just type in something concerning the product, and if the video is on TikTok, it's going to bring out that video. So I just type in tripod with light and mic. So it's going to load. So luckily for us, the video is available on TikTok, and that has made our job so much easier. So as you can see, there are a bunch of videos for us to choose from, and I think I'll just go with this first one right there. This first one. So yeah, so what I'll do, I'll just copy the link to this video. Just click on the share button. Just click on the share button right there. So I'll just copy the link. So of course I want to post this video, but I don't want to post it with the old TikTok watermark on it. So I'll go to this website. There's a website that will allow you to download videos from TikTok without the TikTok watermark on it. So that's what we are going to be doing. I'll just go to the search bar and type in, I think the name of the website is Snaptic. So I'll just type in Snaptic. So it's going to be, the website is going to be at the top. So this first one, I'll just click on it. Then it's going to take me to this interface. So all I have to do is just paste the link in there. Just paste the link there and hit download. It's going to load. So now you can see it has brought out the video. I'll just click on download video. So now the video has started downloading. So next thing for us to do is to go to, after the video has finished downloading, just head over to Facebook. I want to use this account, this Facebook page that I've already created called Gadget and Stuff. I created this page so I'll be able to share videos and pictures concerning gadgets that people might be interested in. And this is a brand new page, so I really don't have any followers here right now. So I'll just click on Reels because I want to post this as a reel. So I'll just click on Reels. So I'll click on the video right there. And of course, you don't want to post the whole empty video. You want to add some text to it. So I'll just add in some text to make it more encouraging for the viewers to buy the product. So I can just type in, get this amazing 3-in-1 tripod from Temu. Yes, from Temu, that should do. And you want to also encourage the viewer to click on the link so they will be taken to the product interface where they can purchase the product. So I'll just click the link above. Then I'll add some emojis to it as well. So add some emojis to it pointing upward. So just adding that one. So you don't want to let the text to cover the main purpose of the video, so you can just move the text to a place where it won't disturb, and of course where it will be seen. So the next thing for me to do is to add the description to the reels and adding some hashtag so the video will get to the right audience. So you want to add in some text, some encouraging text again. So I'll just add in, available on Temu for a very cheap price. So here you want to add in some kind of urgency so the viewers will want to quickly purchase. So I'll just say price will go up soon. So hurry to get yours now. So I will just add in an exclamation mark to make it stand out. I think I should add in an emoji. So I'll just look for an emoji exclamation mark. So that way, the one right there, I'll just add it there. Just add it there to make it more bold, so the viewers is going to get the attention of the viewer as well. So after doing all that, I'll just go back to my Google Doc and copy the link. I'll just copy the link to the product, and just copy it. Make sure you copy it very well. And I'll go back to Facebook, then paste the link there. So I'll just paste the link there. So again, I can add in some text if I want. So I'll just add in, click here to get this products, or no, just a click here to, I think, click here to order these products. Click here to order and get it delivered to your doorstep. So I can just add in another emoji pointing downward so the viewer know where the link is. So the next thing for us to do is to add in some hashtag. So these hashtags will help us to get to the right audience, and hopefully it's going to help us generate more views. So I just type in hashtag Temu. So this would have been easy if I had prepared for the hashtag. So as you can see, I'm just cracking my brain to get more hashtags. So it will be very helpful if you be able to just look for tools and get the right hashtags, a trending hashtag, so your video will go viral, and hopefully you're going to get some sales from it. So after adding the hashtag, all you have to do is just click on the share now button. So your reel is going to go live, it's going to get published, and it's going to start generating views. Whenever someone view the video and they are interested in the product, they will just click on the link and purchase the product, and you are going to get your own commission for every sales you make. So when you are done with the hashtag, just click on share now, so it's going to go live. So that is pretty much it. It's quite simple. Anyone can do this. So there you have it. That is exactly how you can promote products on Temu for free. And of course, you can also run ad if you want to. But since I already said this video, I'm going to be doing it for free. So that is how I do it. But the downside to this is that you are going to be needing huge number of followers, because of course you need people to view the videos, and you need people to also purchase the product. So as you can see, actually run this on my brand new um, Facebook page. So if you already have a Facebook page with a huge amount of audience, that's going to be a bonus for you, because you won't be struggling to get traffic. And another thing you need to know is that Temu actually, before you be able to withdraw your affiliate commission, you need to earn at least 25,000 naira before you be able to withdraw your commission. Yes, on Temu. So that's their rules. And one thing you need to know is that you won't be able to get your payments immediately after someone purchased from your link. I think I waited around 2 days before mine actually started showing that I've made some sales and as an affiliate. And as you can see, it's still pending, so it hasn't actually been added to my account yet. And of course, it's going to be added to my account. So that's pretty much it about the whole Temu affiliate marketing program. And there are other ways you can earn as well from Temu. You can also refer other affiliates to join the affiliate marketing program on Temu. So through that way, you are going to be earning some commissions as well. So if you watch this video up to this extent, it shows that you are interested in making money online. So subscribing won't be a bad idea, because I'll be dropping more videos on how to make money online. And I won't just be the guy that shows up and tells you he has made thousands of dollars without actually showing the workings, because I know there are thousands of people out there showing you that you can make $10,000 a day just by doing some simple tasks and stuff like that. I'm not doing that in this channel. I'll be showing you exactly what I do, and I'll be giving you my honest feedback on what I think you should do and what you shouldn't do, and I'll be telling you exactly how they work, because this platform, they have their policies and their rules that you need to follow. So it won't be nice after you've put in all the work, and at the end of the day it's time for payouts, you get some kind of complaint that you didn't follow the rules. And I'll be showing you, and I'll be telling you exactly how they work, so you don't just keep your hopes high and at the end of the day all you get is crickets. So that is pretty much it about Temu affiliate marketing. So if you enjoyed the video and you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. And like I said, please do subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one. Peace.